Yes, so today in English grammar we will start chapter number 5, articles. Yes, we already know what are articles, right? A, and are articles. Okay, so what are the indefinite articles? A, or, and, are indefinite articles. How? Now we will learn that where we are using a and where we are using an. We are using a. Yes, we are using a with consonants and we are using and with vowels. So what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rather are consonants. Okay. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rather are consonants. So with consonants we are using a and with the vowels we are using a and an. Okay. So now next, where we are using a or an rather than consonants and vowels, we are using a or an with singular noun. Right? We are using with singular noun or we are using also with the common noun. Okay, kids, I am giving you example. Egg. In egg, E is a vowel. Yes, E is a vowel. So what I will write here? N. Next example is hat. Yes, next example is hat. So hat is a H. H means consonant, right? So what we are using with consonant? A. Right? Next example I am giving you is screen. Yes? So what I am using with ice cream? A or A? I is a vowel. Right? So with vowel what we are using? We are using an. So what I will write here? And screen. Okay, this is the basic information we will learn in chapter 5, articles, and what are the indefinite articles. Okay, I hope you all understood this concept very well in this chapter, that what are vowels and what are consonant and with whom we are using a and with whom we are using an. Okay kids? So kids, now we will learn about definite article. Okay. So prior what we learned, हमने पहले क्या सीखा? Indefinite articles. Now what we will learn? Definite articles. So what is the difference between indefinite article and definite articles? Let's learn how to come to know that which article is indefinite and which article is definite. So let's learn here. Okay. In the indefinite articles we are using a or an. In the definite article we are using the. We are using the. So where we are using definite articles? When we have already talked about the thing before. अगर हमने कोई भी चीज के बारे में पहले बात कर दी है but we are repeating that thing again and again, right? So again and again we are not use indefinite article. For that we are supposed to use definite article, right? अगर मैम एक ही चीज के बारे में अगेन एंड अगेन ए और एन यूज कर रहे हैं तो दैट इज रॉन्ग. इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन थिंग फॉर द मेनी टाइम्स, so we are supposed to use the and it's called definite article. Okay, so as I told you in indefinite articles that with singular noun we are using a or an, right? But with the plural noun, yes, with the plural noun means more than one thing, we are using definite article means the. And rather where we are using definite article like जो पूरी world में कोई भी एक चीज हो, like sun, yes, sun. So sun is one in the whole world, right? So we are writing the sun. And in a or an we are always writing small, right? Look, but in the we are always supposed to write the capital. Okay, so I hope you all understand that what is the difference between indefinite articles and definite articles, where we are using indefinite articles and where we are using definite articles, right? Like now I am saying Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills are only one. So what I am writing? The Nilgiri Hills, the Indian Ocean, right? So what I am using with Indian Ocean? The Indian Ocean. Like Arabian Sea, the Arabian Sea. Okay. With plural also we are using the. How? Like socks. Socks is the pair, right? So what we are using with that? The socks. Okay. So I hope kids that you understand the difference between the definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay. So there is a lot of difference between in both these articles. So just to be clear that where we are using a or an and where we are using the. Okay. A or an we are using with singular noun, common noun. Okay. And where we are using the with the plural noun और जो पूरी वर्ल्ड में एक ही चीज हो और else. When we have already talked about the thing before, जिस चीज के लिए हमने पहले ही बात कर ली हो. Okay? Okay kids, so here we will learn some examples regarding indefinite articles and definite articles. So how to come to know that which article is indefinite and indefinite. Okay. So Yamuna, Yamuna is river. Yamuna is only one in the whole world. So what we will use? Yes, we will use here the Yamuna. Okay. Next is Himalayas. Himalayas only one in the whole world, right? पहाड़ होते हैं. So what we are using with Himalayas? The Himalayas. Principal. So in our whole school, one principal is there, right? So we are using the. Yes, we are using the with principal. I am giving you one more example like oranges. Oranges are plural. So we use the with oranges, the oranges. Okay. Next is idea. So idea. I is a vowel. So what we are using with I? A. Balloon. So B is a consonant. So what we are using with B? A. So now you come to know where we are using definite and indefinite articles with such examples. I hope you all understood that how to know that which is indefinite article and which is definite article. Okay, kids? Refer this video. We will provide you homework in our group. We will interact soon in online session for your queries and homework.